Rava Upma, one of the dishes which can be prepared in 10 to 15 minutes. You need to take a pan first, take some oil or ghee, and then 1 cup of rava, and you can keep mixing it. You have to basically get the rava roasted. Make sure it doesn't turn black. Just keep stirring it and mixing it well, and then remove it from heat and get the vegetables prepared for the upma. So add oil, mustard seeds, and urad dal. Once the seeds pop, you can add the urad dal and the chana dal. Chana dal is optional, it'll just add that slight crunch to the upma. If you have curry leaves, you can also add curry leaves. So let this mix well, then add tomato and peas. You can also add carrots if you have. I've not added it here, but if you like a lot of vegetables in your upma, go ahead and add everything that you need, and then mix it well. Add water. So the proportion works like this. So whatever cup you're using for measuring, if you take 1 cup of rava, try to add 2 to 2.5 cups of water, and also add the salt and let it come to a good boil. And once it's boiling well, then you can add the rava that you roasted before. So every time as you add, keep mixing it so that it doesn't form any lumps, and you have to cook till the rava is fully cooked. So here I'm adding a bit more of water because I want my upma to be even well cooked. So I'm just adding some water here. It's best to add warm water if you have, but even normal water should work. Just make sure you mix everything well. So you could also check the amount of salt that you added, whether it's sufficient. If you need more, you could always add when you're adding the extra water. Once you're happy with the texture and the rava is fully cooked, you can just add 1 teaspoon of ghee and garnish with coriander leaves. And then after you turn off the heat, then you can squeeze the juice from half a lemon, and then it's ready to serve. Yeah, so make sure after turning off the heat, then add the lemon. Okay, enjoy your rava upma. It should take about 10 minutes to 15 minutes to cook maximum.